Hi, I'm Jessica Dalcourt with CNETdownload.com, and this is a first look at Auslogics BoostSpeed. This is a top-rated program that attempts to defrag, tweak, and otherwise optimize the computer where it's most likely to get bogged down. Looking at the clean launch interface, you might never guess there are 18 tools bundled into one app. The main pane is dominated by shortcuts for testing the health of the system. One-button Checkup will scan for issues and attempt to fix them. For instance, Disk Cleaner's job is to find and remove junk files. With most scans you run, you'll have the opportunity to take a closer look at the files and to back them up before you change anything. Since the goal of the program is to optimize performance, BoostSpeed often frames problems in terms of how much space you would free if you deleted the loose files. On the left, the system tools are organized by activity: computer, cleanup, optimization, privacy settings, and so on. When you click the task category, you'll see the available tools and a brief description of what they do. Clicking the tools launches it in a separate window, so you can return to this main interface at any time. Most tools are easy to work your way around, and most changes can be undone in Auslogics Rescue Center, which you can get to from individual tool interfaces or from the settings on BoostSpeed's panel interface. In the Rescue Center, you'll see a list of the changes you've made. You'll be able to see full details for each entry and view archive backups as well. Which system files BoostSpeed will back up and which it'll leave alone are things you can specify in the program settings under the tab that says Rescue Center. We're fans of Auslogics BoostSpeed for its comprehensive system maintenance and nicely packaged interface. Some of the app's component parts are offered as standalone freeware products, like the disk defrag, but for an all-around performance-enhancing tool, BoostSpeed comes highly recommended. You can get the fully functional 15-day trial from CNETdownload.com. I'm Jessica Dalcourt, and you've been looking at Auslogics BoostSpeed.